Okay, good morning, students. Okay, today we will start exercise 5.4. Exercise 5.4, class 8, page number 71. Okay, exercise 5.5, 5.4, number 5. Solve the following equation in two variables by the method of the comparison. Okay, in a previous class, in a previous class we have already finished the method of elimination. Okay, method of elimination, all are, I hope you have to do it all. Okay, now that is a method of comparison. Okay, look at that properly. Number 1 is 3x minus 2y equals to 2 and 7x plus 3y equals to 43. Okay, that is a questions. There is a two equations. Okay, so now solution. We have to compare the, so in the method of comparison we have to compare the value of one variables. There is a two variables x and y, so we have to compare the variable y, or we have to compare variable x. We have to compare any one variables. Okay, so we have to compare the value of one variables and we have to find the value of x and y. So let's start. Question number 1, 3x minus 2y equals to 2, 7x plus 3y equals to 43. So first 3x minus 2y equals to 2. We have to write the equation number 1, that is the equation number 1, and 7x plus 3y equals to 43, that is the equation number 2. So first we have to take a equation number 1 from, we have to write there, from equation 1 we get, so from equation 1 we have to find the value, we have to find the value of any find the value of one variables x or y. Okay, suppose we have to find the value of x. Okay, so we have to first write the equation 3x minus 2y equals to 2, or 3x. Okay, suppose okay, there we have to find the first, we have to find the value of x. So we have to transfer to the right side. Value of y is transferred to, okay, 2y we have to transfer to the right side, then minus 2y transfer to the right side, then that is a plus 2y. Or now 3 we have to transfer to the right side. 3 is we have to transfer to the right side, then that is a multiply, so that is transfer to the right side, then that is a change into divide, then 2x plus 2y divided by 3. So we have, that is a equation number 3. 1 is there, 2 is there, and that is a equation number 3, because we have to find the value of x. Then value of x is, that is, so now from equation number 2 we have to write, similarly we have to find the value of x from the equation number 2. From equation number 2 we get, then we have to write the equation 7x plus 3y equals to 43. Okay, or 7x equals to 43 minus 3y, y transfer to the right side, then plus y plus 3y is transferred to the right side, then that is a minus. So, or x 7 transferred to the right side, then that is a divide, 43 minus 3y divided by 7. So that is the equation number 4. There is also we have to find the value of x. So we have to write there. Now we will get two equations. So we have to write there. Okay. Comparing right, by comparing the equation 3 and 4. Okay, by you have to write by comparing the equation 3 and 4 we get so we have to compare the value of x. So no need to write x. Okay, we have to write the value of x only. So value of x in the equation 3 is 2 plus 2y by 3 equals to 43 minus 3y by 7. Okay, so we have to now look at there, we have to now cross multiplication. Okay, 43 3s are 3 3s are 3 3s are 9, then 3 4s are 12, 129 minus 3 3s are 9y equals to 7 2s are 14 plus 7 2s are 14y. Okay, so or now look at there is a 9y. Okay, 129 transfer to the right side and plus 14 is transferred to the left side. So minus, there is remaining minus 9y plus 14 transfer to the left side, then that is a minus 14y equals to, now to the right side. Okay, right side remaining 14 is remaining to the right side, and plus 129 transfer to the right side, then that is a minus 129. Okay, so or minus into minus is plus, so 14 plus 9 is minus 23y equals to, so we have to subtract 14 from this one, so is minus 115. So or minus and minus cancel, so y 23 transfer to the right side, then that is a divide, 115 is divided by 23. So 23 1s are 23, 23 5s are 115, or y equals to 5. So we will get a value of y. So we have to write, putting y, value of y equals to 5 in the equation 3. We have to putting the value of y in the equation 3. So equation 3 is x equals to 2 plus 2y divided by 3, isn't it? So equation 3 is 2 plus 2y divided by 3. So we have to putting the value of y, x equals to 3, 2 plus 2, then value of y is 5, 2 into 5. So or x equals to 2 plus 5 2s are 10 divided by 3, or x equals to 10 plus 2 is 12 by 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. Okay, or x equals to 4. So we will get a value of x also. So value of x is 4, therefore value of y is 5. Okay, that is a answer. Okay, so similarly you have to do it number 2. Okay, number 2, 3, and I will do it for number 4. Okay, number 4 is x plus 1 is divided by y plus 1 equals to 4 by 5, and x minus 5 by y minus 5 equals to 1 by 2. So solution. So solution, first we have to find the equations. Okay, write the equation number. X plus 1 and y plus 1 equals to 4 by 5 is the equation number 1, and x minus 5 by y minus 5 equals to 1 by 2 is the equation number 2. So we have to first write the from equation number 1 we get, okay, from equation 1 we get, so we have to write the equation number 1, x plus 1 by y plus 1 equals to 4 by 5. So or we have to multiply, cross multiply, do it cross multiplication. So 5 into x, we have to first write x, so 5 into x is 5x plus 5 1s are 5 equals to 4 into y is 4y plus 4 1s are 4, or 5x, so 5 plus 5 transfer to the right side, then that is a minus 5, 4y plus 4 minus 5, or x equals to, that is a 5, okay, that is a multiply, so 5 transfer to the right side, then that is a divide. So 4y plus into minus is minus, so 5 minus 4 is 1, 5 minus 4 is 1, and which one is greater? 5 is greater, then sign of 5 is minus, so minus 1, and 5 is there divided. So that is equation number 3. So we have to find the value of x, isn't it? So that is done. So equation number 3, that is okay. So we have to write again from equation 2 we get x minus 5 by y minus 5 equals to 1 by 2. Or again cross multiplication, first we have to write the x, 2 into x 2x, 2 into x 2x, then minus 2 5s are 10 equals to y 1s are y minus 1 5s are 5, or 2x, then minus 10 transfer to the right side, y minus 5 minus 10 is transferred to the right side, then that is a plus 10. So or x equals to 2 transfer to the right side, then that is a y plus into minus is minus, then 10 minus 5 is 5, then which one is greater? 10 is greater, then sign of 10 is plus, then plus 5 by divided by 2. So that is equation number 4. So okay, we will write there by, isn't it? we will write there by, so you have to write there 2 comparing, not 2 comparing, by comparing, by comparing, you have to write there by comparing, so I will write there also by comparing equation 3 and equation 4, we get, so equation 3 we have to write the value of x from equation 3, 4y minus 1 by 5, 4y minus 1 by 5 is equation 3, value of x is, then y plus 5 by divided by 2. So from equation 4, y plus 2 divided by y plus 5, is not it? Y plus 5, yeah. Sorry, y plus 5 is divided by 2. So, so now we have to cross multiply. So 4 2 ja 8y minus 2 1 ja 2 equals to 5 into y, 5y plus 5 5 ja 25. Or now y transfer to the left side, then that is a minus y minus 5y equals to 2 transfer to the right side, then that is a 25, there is a remaining 25, then minus 2 transfer to the right side, then that is a plus 2, minus 2 transfer to the right side, then that is a plus 2. Okay, so or 8y minus 5y is, we know that 3y equals to 25 plus 2 is 27, or y equals to 27 by 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 9 ja 27, or y equals to 9. So we will get a value of y. So we are get a value of y. So we have to write there, putting y equals to 9 in the equation 3. So equation 3 is x equals to 4y minus 1 by 5. Okay, so or x equals to 4 into y means 9 minus 1 by 5, or x equals to 4 9 is 36 minus 1 by 5, or x equals to 36 minus 1 is 35 by 5, 5 1 is 5, 5 7 is 35. So we are get a value of x also, x equals to 7. So therefore x equals to 7 and y equals to 9. That is a answer. Okay, so I hope you have to understand that one also, number 4. So your homework is, listen, I will write there. Okay, your homework is number 2, number 3 and number 5. Okay, that is your homework, so you have to do it yourself. Okay, if you cannot understand, then ask me. If you did not understand, then ask me on WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.